Hi guys, welcome back to Common Accounting Terms, all the business. Today we are going to see sales, okay? What is the sales? Sales is the economics activities where a business exchange goods or services with another entity for the money. It is the primary source of revenue or any organization. The sales, whatever the purchase is important, the same time we have to sales also. If we purchase the item, we are not going to sell, that company is not going to run, correct? You should sales. You should sell your product. You should sell. Otherwise, it's nothing will going to happen. How your company is going to run? The sales also is very important for the company. Even though if you are purchasing, if you are producing the items, whatever you are keep it in the storage, you are the big company or small company, like that is not a matter. The sales is happen, then only your company will be grow. The sales will happen, then only you are getting profit. The sales is happen, then only you have to pay money to the whatever the expenses there, whatever the salary or whatever the expense you have to pay. So that means the sales is very important for the business. Thank you guys. We will see for another example.